Hi, hello guys. We are in Claveria, Miss Oriental. I am riding the rainbow slide right now, and my cousins are too right now. And I am gonna be done in 3, 2, 1. This was very windy, but it's actually good for me because it was pretty hot and I was sweating. And my cousins, I only went alone. I think Cassie and Pyang Pyang went together, and now we are now riding the UFO bumper cards. Right now, the U I am the UFO bumper cards with the blue. Let me see, red colors right now. Cassie and Laika keep hitting each other, and also I kept spinning because the controls are hard. It's literally like this. So like basically the controls are like two joysticks, and you have to move them around. You have to actually make it so straight to make it move straightly. But if you want to move backwards, you just have to pull it backwards, straightly backwards, or else you'll go backwards in a direction. Like I don't know why they did that. And now some Leica is now done. Right now I'm still, and also spoilers, I'm gonna be the last one riding right now. So right now some some others are some others of the family right now is now done. Now everyone's done now. So the angle's gonna change in 3, 2, 1. So right now I asked my father, they why don't I get to ride the second time even though my brother ride the second time? He said it's okay. Well, I wanted to ride 2 times because they rode like my brother rode like 1 time, so he already rode like 2 times. But I don't know why I didn't get to. But the people in the cars is my Lola, Ivan, Kuya, and Malcolm. Well, the next ride we're gonna do is bumper carts. So I hope you enjoyed this video
Idungan,
so
be!
far, and I'll
Idungan!
keep speaking. So right now, my Lola keeps bumping into
Hee!
everyone,
Guys, ang
and
mga
she always
tiguang
hits tires because
nalingaw.
it's so hard for her to control vehicles. So
Idungan!
basically,
Ah.
what is happening right now is that my brother gets to go a second time.
Gio!
While I was
Agboy, guni nga bata.
asking my father, he said, "It's okay. We'll just make you ride another ride 2 times, and we're about to go to the next ride. 3, 2, 1." So now we are gonna ride the go-karts right now and right then. So basically you have to wait because the instructor's gonna, the employee is gonna say the instructions. And here's a little secret. Did you know that if you brake, press the down button, the arrow that's pointing down, you can go into and then change. You can go to sports mode, so you can go way more faster. But the employees only tell the adults because they think kids are gonna go crazy with it. Even though I'm not one of the kids, they still didn't tell me until my father told me on the third round when he was going faster than me. And then af- and then in the third round he was almost there, and when we stopped, he told me how to do it. I wanted to ride the second time, and then I rode a second time with the others who already rode. But there was one go-kart left, so I could still ride and use the sports mode. It was super cool, but I actually did it lightly. I just pressed the button, boop, press the button, boop. And then after that, I finally got happy. Can you get some water? So right now, we're gonna literally ride the go-karts in a few seconds. And also subscribe to my father's channel, like and subscribe, hit the bell button, and share this. Back to the video. So right now, we are gonna ride the go-kart. It's just like a circle. And also after this, I'm gonna play in the playground. But first, I'll get some water after it. But after this event, when we went home, I get to stay in the back trunk, and then it was outside. It's like a box shape, but without the cover. And then I was like, it was like not cold, and also, how did it get so? How is it so fast to become evening? Just questioning. But also at the same time, wait, the third round, my father finally told me. And also here's all of the layout. All of this is at the bottom. You can stay in the hotel. There's restaurants, but mostly they call it the Sky 88 Cafe area. But usually I like to. But usually the restaurants foods are cookies, pillow puffs, and munchies. I think munchers. I don't know. Forgot what it's called. It's from the. Let me think. The pizza area. The pizza area of the Sky 88 Cafe. Or you could say Claveria Misamias Oriental. Let me drink. ASMR.
Hey, Gio. It's okay. Guys, naka-record na guys.
So right now, it
Okay.
is turning evening fast and there's no clouds in the sky. So today's actually sunny. Sorry. And in a few minutes, this voiceover is gonna end soon. This is the part where he went faster than me because he used the sports mode. If you try to look at his screen, it says sports mode. That's how he got that fast. Let me drink some water. My throat is becoming drier. So right now, he stopped and then he told me. And then at the end only. So basically, he told me at the end how to do the sports mode. And also the employees
Slowly.
only told him. At the end, I wanted to ride again. Whatever. I need to sneeze. Sorry.
Yes, last one.
So basically, they
Go,
only,
go, go.
at the end, he finally told me. But I didn't know
Where's
which
the brake? Where's the brake?
button he
Brake, where's the
meant.
brake? Oh.
He said the
Then
down
stop,
arrow
brake, stop,
button.
stop,
I
brake.
didn't
I said brake.
know what he
I said
meant,
brake,
so
Gio.
I accidentally
No,
pressed
stop. I said brake.
the
Hey, what brake? I said brake, and
down
then you go to
button
sports.
at the,
Hey, stop.
I
Yeah,
think
stop.
at
Brake, brake.
the
Brake,
part
and
where
then you go
there's
to
like
sports.
diamonds
Post the
and
red. This one.
letters. I think I've
No, no, down,
accidentally
down,
pressed B
down.
right
Down,
there.
down,
Oh,
down.
this is the time that he told me.
Down.
Press me.
Hey, down.
And then I didn't know what he meant. So I didn't actually go that fast.
Yeah, this.
But I was disappointed.
Okay.
So I wanted to ride again. Am I just saying the
Where's the
same?
brake? Okay, go.
ASMR.
No, it's not a sports mode like Papa. I said stop and then.
So basic. You keep falling. So basically, after that, I wanted to ride again.
Okay, go.
But and they let me ride again. The second time, and I was happy. And right now they are gonna let me ride again right now. This is almost the end of this voiceover right now. So I hope you enjoyed the voiceover this video right now, and also remember to like,
Gio, come here, Papa.
subscribe,
Come here.
and hit
This one.
the bell
Papa, I said
button,
I told you
and
brake and then down. Oh, sports.
and I hope you like this voiceover, and I hope you will watch more of our videos. It's gonna end in 3, 2, 1.
Okay na? Kami lang cellphone. Mulay ka lang.
Seatbelt ini nara oh.
Diba, gusto ko nagan, mga 200 ang nagan. Oh, safety ya, para lawan na. Di na ka mo seatbelt daw, darang.
Ah, di ka gyud kasakay ron, kaya di ka kabalungtong.
Hindi na gilawag sa... Okay, bate ta.
Ito.
Okay na, aminaw ta.
Nada na yung nasangit.
Dire, dire. Sige.
Ikaw na. Dapat sa lingog kanina.
Wala ka sa saliyo ka. Okay. Okay, listen mga kids.
Listen daw.
Okay, left side, wala is brake. Okay? Kanay murag makalo na yung helmet ba?
Ah. Wala, amang wala.
So, okay
Ang
na,
too.
wala is brake.
Wala.
Okay, right side or tuo is accelerator para mudagan siya. Okay? So kung magpadagan na ta, di ta magtunuba og brake. Buhian na natong brake. Okay? Magtunob na tag brake kung kabanggaon ta or pa-downhill. Okay, asa atong brake?
Wala.
Brake. Exam na mo karon. Okay, brake wala. So kung dili kay sa mataranta ta, malimot kita, nay atong handbrake. Nara kana handbrake, okay. Handbrake, oh, kana. Muna ang handbrake, okay.
Yang gibira gyana din sa kamot.
Dili na unang kamuta kay.
Ano, makulban ba? Mana tayo yun.
Okay, mapalagan ta.
Loli lang. Kuya, ikaw kuya, bilong pa ka sa akin. Adult naman ka kuya.
Data na yan pa.
Dito padagan.
Lagi dana, lagi patagan. Dani ang break.
Oo.
Oo.
Wala, dagan na siya. Ha?
Papaniisip din eh.
Buhay ang brake, buhay.
Ang padagan kay Pia. Ang imong padagan kali ka tiil. Para muhunong katong isa. Dili man gud nita kulwanon di kay kasabot.
So, kung manginana ta og reverse, buhay sa sa mga. Ano Ayaw ko pwede.
Ayaw tunog-tunobi. Diba? Ayaw sa inyo tunog-tunobi. Kaya mag-error siya. Yung mag-error na, balihon, kamumoy sakyan.
Places, scattered places, all on your clothes, and on faces. Everyone thinks that you're perfect. Please don't let them look for your
Magnet lang reverse. Ato lang idubutap ang brake. Kadawa tunog. Sige, kadawa tunog. Sige, kadawa tunog. 1, 2.
Katawa tungdan. 1, 2.
Okay, tingog na.
Oh, muna siya, reverse.
Oh, ano mo reverse?
Reverse,
Kadawa. 1. Sige, kadawa. 1, 2.
Tunog ba? 1, 2.
Ang isa ra ka-break ra. Kani mo break.
Gani.
Oy, di ka
One.
na ron.
2.
Kadagko, mas lamok.
Oh.
Anak boy. Ayo tong yang
Ayo lagi tumbe kana lagi.
1, 2. Sige. Kita ka forward, kada ka pala reverse. Kaya mabangga ka dito. 1, 2. Okay, nanay R, di ba?
Oh, dali R.
Reverse. Ato na yung accelerator na ito na yun. Para makas.
Never listen to
Pagbalik. Paano nga po? 1, 2. Yan po. Sige. Tulog.
Kadua og tunog ko.
Kadawa.
1, 2.
Kana ba?
Okay.
Kana ba? Break.
Aray.
Sige. 1.
Kakabalo ron
Two.
si Tia, ganina
Oh.
na nakabalo ikaw.
Lagyan po yung nagtingog.
Dai ka bot lay ka. Ikaw puda ka lay ka ikaw bot.
Sige, tunop lang ka.
1, 2.
Okay.
Oh, mana.
Okay na, magdaga na to ha.
Hinahinay lang.
Hindi na, para ma-enjoy na to atong paraga. Sige, go.
Ano kuya?
Una.
Ay.
So maginay-nay rata kay di sa ganahan magpakusog ko. So maginay-nay ko kay kuan man para ma-enjoy lagi daw. Pero di na ako ma-enjoy nga inay-nay ko. Bangga wa di. Oh, di. Buwan mo sina. Pakusog na lang kay. Racing kay ni ani. Hey ka. Buy kan bangga mo. Ikaw ka kalit mo na. Digit. Di tulong kay ubang sipag dito ako. Naginay kayo. Kay kayo. Ano gabi kani? Oh, mami kasi kilo bangga ka bangga ka. Kanina kay kay man. Ano ko maginay ko gabi bulok bulok. Masalag na yun. Mo na. Mo. Dami na. Ano ba ko? Kisi kayo. So the night place is nice because I'm nice stuff. So fast. Sana ko. Ano anything just going to. Let go. It's okay. That's it. Ulit lang. Di ba? Galing na ba musik? Oh. Uy, break. Ito pa tayo. Oh, sapa. So I like fast pace. Kasi no, galing naman. So guys. Kita ko si. So sports mode pa. Atong isa kay eco mode. Hindi ka pagkakita ko sa makausap dali pa kumain. No? Ano ka ba? Nag-green? Ko na yellow. Ah, pag na ka. Lagi mo na. Pag na. Pag lagi. Oh, tsaka bangga tayo. Oh, mas lagi ako. Ila tayo kan. Hinay na lang ta kay di ko gusto makakusog. Di ba masusog pa ako? Naka-sports na ako. Hindi na makadaog sa ako kasi hinay na ako. Kaya di ko gusto dali. Ay, kaso lang dito sa. Naka-sports gani no. Eko man yun ako tang. Sports. Mas kusog man lang ako. Di ba? I told you, bro. Why, munong ko na ni ba? Latan ako sila, kan?
Napakailas balik.
Ikadua pa man daw to, ikaupat na daw balik. Kani kay ni mutoy ka dito, ikatulo na. Eh, napa din tayo last. Kani last na nila ning atuyok siguro. Dali. Pagdali. Mapsan pa ta mo pag unagod mo.
Teka.
Lagi.
Yeah.
Pag una. So guys, Aray! Aray! Pumatay ka ni! Daloy! 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 Bukol yung daloy! Datas ba? Ano man kung iwan nyo? Ay! Uy! Ano? Kaya dali! Why so slow? Ay, nakasports mo siya. Aray. Ay, finally. Naman ako. Sige ni. Off camera.
Nami kuan guys, managdula sila guys, manamig dula.
Nice.
So nanami diri guys mangaon para panihapon na. Panihapon na guys.
Nagbabayan daw guys. Kita mo sa TV dito sila.
Kuan ala kuan kay ila bitaw main course kay kani raman tulong kuan ra po paluwing sa calamares.
Wala na lain?
Kay kaning sinabaw wala ning shrimp. Kanirang tinulang manok. Tinulang manok na ano? Wala.
Unsa man?
Salmon ug tuna, tinula.
Oh kana na.
Tuna. Nagkuan-kuan ning pork barbecue ni Gio ug inasan. Duha ka barbecue, duha ka inasan.
Natawa niya inyong naong to sa kuan sa YouTube. Di mo sige glantawg YouTube no. Stop recording.
Mag-pray.
Okay, pray.
Kapiya. Kay ikaw una ni Gunaya Sara. Sige. Masabaw na. Ate ato asabaw nga.
Nabi to be.
Santa.
Ano naman? So guys, mga nami guys. Kay gipanggutom na ang mga lagan. Mga nami. Sabaw guys, lami kining sabaw.
Wala na ikuan, mga kuan ka sis.
Sipon ko guys.
Kasi wala tuyo.
Wala makaga.
Lagi pa nagluto. Kasi guro na nila ng isa. At ganit mo. Ang pagkaon sa nila isa.
Ayaw nagkuan na, kinamuta. Pahunaw lang. Ayaw mo pag tinidor, kinamuta. Ayaw mo mag-isod.
Na, para di mo mag-isod. Una, bitaw, hindi ayaw mo sabon.
Kinamuta. Kinamuta ba? Pag mag-isod. Para ayun na. Magay na nahulot to. Ha?
Guys, sabaw ato. Ayun, ato.
Nga dayo.
Ano, abutan niya. Tulog lang. Dawata din. Ipatuha kasi Sigo kami din.
Tama ba ko ako be?
Ako ano. Siguro. Sa pagdalo sa market. Yan ito. Naibutang lahat. Pati isa gamay ang kamera dito.
Wala ka nagkuhan na na be barbecue? Hindi mo gikuhan.
Gamawis sana kita kunin kasi na. Ano kana kunin kasi.
Abi na kuog ka nang. Wala kang nagkuhan kaya abi na kuog kang inani ra gyapon ana ba?
Nami.
Amba bang gabi? Diya na mo.
Ano kay nakaprint-in dali mo. Katagsagi dayta ani upat o.
Yogi papa. 1 stick. No. Hello? Yes sir, magbe sir. Ha? Wala pa man. Kuan para to, wala pa lang ilang tao pero wala pa man gayon, wala pa man kuan. Oh, ako din pataganon. Oh, ligit na may kulang ani. 1 frame na gihapon.
Limong din. Tukan ko din yan.
Kani kay gitu sulod din sa baw. Wala ni na dito.
Namukon.